Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to convert Google Docs into weblink. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from your laptop or desktop, just open Google Chrome browser and just go to Google Docs. So there will be a Google Docs in my right hand side. I can log in with my Gmail account. So now I just want to create a document. I want to make that one into a web link. What I have to do here? Simple and easiest way. So I have my presentation or I have my documents over here. So these are my documents. Now I would like to publish this one into a web link so that the people can able to see using the link. So what I have to do here? Simple and easiest step I would like to share with you. So just go to file menu. So you can able to see there is a share option. Once you click a share, there will be a share with others and publish to web link. So web link means you can able to publish the web link so that the people can able to see. They cannot able to edit, they cannot able to give the suggestion anything. So it will be like kind of your activities, your articles you want to publish in the web. So using this documents you can do that. So just click publish to web. Automatically it will create a link automatically. So you can able to embed the link also, so that if you want to create a site you can embed this link. Otherwise you can use a link option to copy the link and paste to anywhere else. So simple and easiest way. So you can able to share using Gmail, Facebook and Twitter. So it's all automatically published over here. So if you want to stop published, for example published content, if you want to stop publish, just click here to stop publish. Automatically your publication will be stopped over here. So if you want to publish again, just click here to publish. Automatically, are you sure you want to publish the sessions? Yes, I would like to publish the session. Automatically the link will be created over here. Just copy the link and just go to some other browser and you can able to paste the link. Automatically it will open only with a content part, so it won't show the edit option anything. Just copy and paste the link over here, or you can copy and paste through your social media anywhere. Automatically it will publish on using Google Docs. You can able to see, you can able to read and you can able to copy, but you cannot able to edit the files. For example, cultural communications is there. So if my original file I want to edit, so there will be automatically republish when change is made. So I just have some cultural communication, so I have given with the communication model I have given over here. Automatically it will publish on my link. So see the example. So just I refresh this one, the changes will be made over here. This is a simple and easiest way. You can create a link with a web model and you can publish the link wherever you edit. Whenever you have time, edit means automatically it will reflect in your link. So using this option to publish your article or any type of things using the word Google Docs onwards. So if you want to stop the publication, so just go to the same public to the web. So automatically published is happening over here. So if you want, you can stop publishing and just click means automatically the publications will be stopped over here. Now you just go and refresh this same content. Automatically we are sorry, this document not published will be happen over here. So using these tips you can make your document into a web link and you can share with others. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.